In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the timeline feature on Monday.com in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a project manager or part of a team looking to better organize your tasks, Monday.com offers some intuitive tools. And by the end of this guide, you'll be comfortable using the Gantt chart to visualize your project timelines effectively. Let's get started. First off, open up your web browser and navigate to Monday.com. If you're new to the platform, Monday.com is a project management tool that helps teams track their work in a visually engaging way. Once you're on the website, look towards the top of the page and click on Login. If you haven't already created an account, there's an option to sign up, but for today, we'll be logging in. Most users find logging in via Google to be the easiest and fastest method. So go ahead and click on the Google button and select your Google account from the list. This will take you straight to your Monday.com dashboard, where all your projects live. Now, locate the left panel of your dashboard. Here, you'll see all the boards you've created or have been invited to. Click on your chosen board where you'd like to use the timeline feature. Once your board is open, direct your attention to the top section of the screen. You'll see a plus icon. Click on this to add a new view to your board. From the drop-down options, select Gantt Chart View. The Gantt chart is a powerful visual tool within Monday.com. It provides an overview of your project timeline by displaying tasks as bars on a chart, helping you see how tasks overlap and when they need to be completed. Once you've clicked on Gantt, your board will transform to show this new view with your tasks displayed over your timeline. Now that you're in this view, you can add a new item or task by clicking the New Item button. This allows you to add more tasks to your timeline without switching views. It's straightforward and keeps your workflow smooth and uninterrupted. One fantastic feature of the Gantt chart is its flexibility in timeframes. You can adjust your view to display days, weeks, months, or even years, depending on the scope of your project or the level of detail you need. By customizing this setting, you can focus on long-term projects or drill down into finer details for more immediate tasks. And that's it. With just a few steps, you've set up and customized a timeline on Monday.com using the Gantt chart view. It's a fantastic way to keep track of your project's timeline and ensure your team stays on the same page. Thanks for joining me, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Happy planning on Monday.com.